Good morning, good evening, or good night, YouTuber. Today I got my 2012 Hyundai Accent 1.6 liter, and I was posted up a video, or I think it was on the short, but I'm here today to show you how to uninstall and install the ABS line, which is here. And it goes all the way to right here. So I will set y'all up and mount y'all up to you as I show you how to uninstall. And don't forget to use an impact wrench to take your towel off, and use a jack and a jack stand for safety purpose. And make sure you keep all your bolts together. This was for 10 millimeter for a socket wrench that came from out right there. I already took that one out already. And this right here is a 12 millimeter. Oops, wrong one, my bad. And for the brake line, no, it's 10 millimeter for this one. That other one was the brake line, if you can see it. Right there for a 10 millimeter as well. And I like this wrench here because it is flexible. It can go all kind of degree ways. And it can get in them tight spots. Believe that. Okay, we're kind of close. Hold on, let me go to get an extension. And for right here, it's where like a zip strap at, so I'm gonna cut that. I'm gonna pull it off first. Get that out of the way. And that's the same for right here. If you can see that, let me see if you can see that. Let me get you in a good view angle. Right there, that's for a 10mm too, for a socket wrench. And if you like the video, hit subscribe and share. And there you have it. Now up here, that's why we'll be unclipping it at. So have patience. Hold on for a minute. So and here goes the old one. With the old, you know, like they say, and with the new. The reason why I'm installing the new one, cause it ain't like I got a leak on this tire, and this is for a left side tire for the ABS. And every morning I wake up, it's like I got to put air in it. But I said, no, it ain't no air. So I went check, kept putting air in there, checking to see if I had a tire measure gauge. And then I said, nah. So I went and ordered one of these. Just got to it. But it was causing me problems. That install. And the same for uninstall is reverse. So you just push it in there and unscrew and screw. Now, if you got some type of manual, talk-wise, for the specs, I would suggest that you go look up in there. But I figure it just should take just a little nudges. And it won't do no harm. But for safety purpose, follow your manual. at your Haynes book or whatever book you got from offline. Almost done. Whew. Just snuggled enough till you feel like it just about to tight. And that should do you. Now, there you have it. Now that's how you uninstall and install a ABS wire. And don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Peace. Hold on, waiting on YouTube. Now, don't think I was gonna leave and don't let y'all know. I will be ordering me some more for the right side and the two rears. So stay tuned. Hit the like button, subscribe, and share.